wanna share about the definition of hero for my life. So, if I say someone is, I think the hero is he is will be for the world. He is nothing, but for me, he is my world. So because him, I know the word. I know he give he liked my life and what else. And I can think more for future. So for my life, the real figure wanna be a hero is my parent. So the next is my teacher. Yes, almost similar with Mr. But you must. I think the real hero is the person share and tell for us about now and the future and the real future.
Allah.
Yes, because now he is not immortal, but the future is so immortal. So long time, and the time is not run for future. I think Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is my heroes every for forever. Yeah, and for us we must.